everyone, and welcome to my channel, Mommy Shishi Baby. For those of you who's first time here, my family calls me Mommy, Shishi, and Baby, but you can call me Shia. And on today's video, we're actually starting at the end. Some of it got cut out due to unforeseen, unfortunate happenings that occurred throughout the day, which you will find out. And I will come back at the end and, you know, just kind of wrap things up for what you will see. It didn't turn out at all like I wanted it to, because a lot of footage ended up getting lost. The beginning part of my day's footage actually got lost. So it's gonna actually start out with me being in a grocery store picking up things for my father and mother-in-law's anniversary dinner, where I actually have to cook for the guests. I have to bake 50 turkey wings. Whew. And that's supposed to start when I actually get home tonight. So like I said, we are starting at the end. So stay tuned. Okay, so I bought Walmart out of all of their sofrito. So now I'm gonna go over to Kroger and see if they have any more. I hope they do. If not, then I'll just have to go to the Walmart in the area where I work to get the rest of it, and hopefully they'll have some. It's like they only keep like 5 of them on the shelf at a time. Alright, so due to time constraints, I can't go get my prescriptions. I have to go and take my daughter these test strips before her lunch starts so she can actually eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually do that instead now, instead of going to get my prescriptions from the pharmacy first. And I'll just pick those up on the way to work. And yeah, so from here I'm just gonna go and drop these test strips off for her, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna get my kitchen clean, and then I will take out my wings so they can start thawing. Hi guys, I am back. So while I was at home, I had all the intentions of doing a small kitchen cleaning to add to this video, and I was setting my camera up and life happened. Now I'm on my way to work. Look at my phone, y'all. I shattered my phone. I had to go and get another one because there is no way I could function throughout the rest of the day and not have anything to talk about. Like, I literally can't even press any buttons on this phone. The glass is falling out of it. If I turn it on, it's gonna start calling people, or it was gonna start calling people randomly and all kinds of stuff. I had to switch my SIM card over, but I cannot believe I did that. I was trying to set my tripod up, and my phone fell out of it and it dropped face down on the ground in the case. The case is shock resistant, but it felt like from very high onto its face. So there goes that phone. Just continuing on with my day at this point. I did get the turkey wings taken out. I did get to mop my floors. I cleaned my room upstairs. I have to go back and actually look and see where this video, like footage, the saving of it from what I was recording, left off, because I have no idea. But I did clean my upstairs. I did like a little one over really quickly of it, and my downstairs a one over really quickly of it. I started a load of dishes in the dishwasher, and I took out all the turkey wings, wiped down my countertops. Right now it's pouring down outside. I am on my way to work. It's gonna be a great day. So I am at work on my break, and I had the most serious coughing attack. Now I have a stuffy nose, and I'm still coughing like off and on. Oh my goodness. And I'm having to be on the phone talking to customers. Like, it is my lunchtime, and I came outside to rain. I'm coughing like uncontrollably at work, and I'm starting to get congested. So I decided that it would be a smart thing to do to go ahead and pick up a coat. Did I want to spend money on a coat today? No, I definitely did not. But I had to get a coat because I don't want to be like super sick. I really don't. This is what we're doing tonight. Grabbing coats. It's actually after midnight. I just got off of work. I got off of my last call slightly after midnight. Today, guys, has been a trying day. All right, so I'm tired. All that cutting. So I have put my green peppers, onions, and celery in the bottom of 4 pans. I have 16 packs of of turkey wings, and they all have about, I believe, 3 wings in each. So I'm putting 4 packs per pan. Hopefully it fits. And I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning them now. So I just wanted to show y'all real quick what I use. Of course, like Lawry's. Celery seeds. I put this in like all kinds of meats. Sazon, I love it, love it, love it, love it. And like my meals happen, and I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's like a whole song. Okay, gotta love Samsung. I don't need backup. My meals have been hurting without this lately, so I stocked up. I have 4 boxes. I usually get the huge box, but I couldn't find it. So Samsung. Garlic powder and onion powder. Black pepper. And Goya sofrito. So let's get to it. Well, turkey is prepped. I have 2 of them in the oven. I'm going to set my alarm clock for about 2.5, 3 hours. It is 3:51, and when I take this good old shower, by the time I get out the shower, my husband better be up here because I'm ready to go sleep. So as you can see, my day was very eventful from beginning to end. And you missed me explaining it from the beginning, but I'm thankful that I was able to get a new phone. I'm thankful that God blessed me, even though I'm not feeling my best, to be able to have enough energy to stay up and do all this prepping tonight. And that I didn't get discouraged, and I stuck through it, and I stuck with it, and I kept it going. And now it's done. Today has been very eventful, very eventful. Thank you for my new phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I have said before, stick with me. We are going places. Thanks so much, guys, again for tuning in to my very hectic day. This was definitely supposed to be a day in the life, and it turned out being just that. You guys see what my day is kind of like sometimes. This was one of those days, but you know, I wanted it to be captured because I wanted you to see what was real, what my life was like really, like real life. So, excuse me. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, go check out my other videos. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I do post up there practically every day. I also give like heads up to when I have a new video coming out and what it's about, if it's out. Oh, by the way, when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when my new videos have posted. Thanks again for tuning in to Mommy Shishi Baby. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.